Someone recently asked me how can she quickly calculate the total salary right here if the total salary is actually a sum of base salary and the bonus depends on the position in the company. How would you do that? Well, first of all, I'm going to introduce a new column called bonus itself and look up for the bonus based on the position, and this is the formula I'll use: equal VLOOKUP open parenthesis the position itself, comma, this dictionary of position like this, highlight it, and I'm going to press F4 to make that into a fixed reference, comma, and the column that we're looking for is not 1 but the second one here, the bonus itself. So I'm going to put 2 here and comma, and I'm going to say exact match by double clicking on false here, close parenthesis and hit enter. Right now it's showing as fraction. I'm going to convert that into percentage like this. Now to calculate the total, you say equal base salary multiply by this, the bonus itself, plus 1, close parenthesis. And that's how you calculate it. And to finish it off, apply to all the rows by double clicking on it like this.